In the hands of the transhumanists amongst us, bioengineering is applied not merely to one or two portions of the human physique, but rather to the totality of the human body. Practices and devices geared towards achieving such ends shall in coming years usher in a myriad of physical augmentation abilities that will enable forward-thinking scientists to make humans distinctly different from how they are currently, as Sarwant Singh explains in a comprehensive article for Forbes entitled Transhumanism and the Future of Humanity: 7 Ways the World Will Change by 2030. Mr. Singh writes that in the near future, one can anticipate the arrival of, quote, contact lenses that can take pictures or video, universal language translator earbuds that allow us to communicate anywhere in the world, and exosuits that increase physical strength, close quote. Singh goes on to discuss the impending propagation of the use of implants, ranging from, quote, brain microchips and neural lace to mind-controlled prosthesis and subdermal RFID chips, close quote. As powerful as this all seems, Singh writes that the most potent forms of augmentation shall be radical biological augmentation, resulting from an increased knowledge of genomes, as well as advancements in IVF technology and CRISPR gene editing technology that will enable the crafting of pre-designed embryos. In the wake of such advancements, Singh asserts, human beings will be more resilient and optimized, but also continually monitored. All seems well until one reaches those last 2 words. In a world in which humans are ceaselessly watched, can there exist such a thing as freedom? For that matter, will the very definition of freedom need to be arbitrarily altered so as to keep people believing that they are still free, that there have been no infringements on their liberty, something which is obviously universally valued by men and women throughout the world? Additionally, is the optimization of humankind something that should necessarily be extolled, given how the likes of natural resources are optimized to the point of exhaustion as well as oblivion? These questions need no direct responses, for their answers are apparent. The augmentation of the human body, as described by Singh, will doubtlessly lead to a loss of liberty, the enforcement of unavoidable technological regimentation, and an unprecedented shift in moral values, as any sentient being can recognize.